how to find clients in a tough market. What's up, guys? I have come back to my favorite spot the last couple days to shoot some of these videos, and today I want to talk about a current topic, a topic that's on a lot of marketing and digital marketing companies' minds, and that is how to find clients in a tough market. Now guys, I'm going to keep this episode really short, and the reason for that is I want you guys to go out and chase work. I know right now there's a lot of economic uncertainty in the world, and it's really hard in some aspects. I feel for you because even my agency is starting to feel it a little bit. And you got to go out and you got to chase it. You're going to have to go out. You're going to have to find a way to improve and learn during this time in order to come back stronger once everything bounces back. By nature, digital marketing and marketing in general are some of the first things that get cut when times get tough. But you can counter it, and you can counter it by learning and doing some of these key things during tough times to take your business and your agency to the next level. Tip number 1, have a specialty. You'll notice right now that the most specialized digital marketers, the people that have a specific niche, are still working. They still have a lot of their clients. It's because a lot of times those niche services are in demand. Now, if you're an agency owner, that doesn't mean you're not going to understand all of the aspects of an agency. You're going to have to be able to do it. But what it means is if your company has a specialization, then that specialization is going to be sought after. People are going to want it, and they're going to keep you and try to hold on to you longer. So in a tough market, a specialty, when someone's looking for it, is a great way to call out, reach out, and try to find new clients. Tip number 2 is make better content. This is something even I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to learn new techniques, trying to make better audio, trying to just make things better. And it's a work in progress, but the same thing's going to apply to you. Make better videos, make better graphics, make better written content, improve yourself so that you're indispensable to the companies you work for. Be so good at it that they have no choice but to use you. For example, in our agency, we're a full service agency. We cover the full digital marketing spectrum, but one of our specialties, one of the things that we try to continue to get good at is make better content, make better video content for our clients specifically. So we're trying to push the boundaries of animation and video effects and trying to get the newest equipment and just make things better. Just make it better. It's going to help you hold your clients. And really, that's what's going to make you sought after when the market starts to come back, even if it's still tough to find clients when the market's down. What that's going to allow you to do is explain to your clients what the content you're making, what the ads you're running, and the media you're buying is doing for their brand and for their product. And you have to be able to measure it down to a T in order for them to see that ROI. Once again, I have underestimated how cold it is today. Still freezing with the sun going down. Should have brought mitts again. Next, tip number 3, understand ROI. Now, marketing and digital marketing, social media marketing agencies are not all built around ROI, or they shouldn't be, because a lot of what we do as an agency is we brand clients. We build up long-term brand equity in order to pay off and get lower price conversions in the long run. But at the same time, when times are tough, clients are looking for ROI. They're looking, if they put money in, what are they going to get out, specifically in the marketing field. So understand it. Understand how to measure it. Make sure you set up Google Tag Manager. You're managing the conversions. You have the goal conversions set up in Google Analytics. You're looking at traffic to the site through Google Console or Google Webmaster. Find different ways to measure and analyze and deep dive into the analytics of what the clients are looking for. Understand it fully. What that's going to allow you to do is explain to your clients what the content you're making, what the ads you're running, and the media you're buying is doing for their brand and for their product. And you have to be able to measure it down to a T in order for them to see that ROI. All right, tip number 4. Even when times are tough, you have to continue to network. If anything, that is the #1 way you're going to find more work. You have to develop relationships with people. And that's the same for almost all businesses. What online allows us to do, what the branding and marketing allows us to do, is to capitalize on a larger network as we start to build that relationship with people through the content and through the ads that we make. Again, I've talked about that a lot. I'm going to leave that one. I know you guys know what to do. Finally, tip number 5. My last tip for today of how to find more clients when times are tough. LinkedIn, LinkedIn, LinkedIn. Now, I have done other videos on this before as well, specifically how to get clients without Sales Navigator, which I'll put a card up here that you guys can click on, and I'll put it in the comments below as well. But LinkedIn is very powerful in staying top of mind with your audience. Specifically when times are tough, people have more time to search through social media. They have more time. They're all looking to try to make connections. So if you can get in front of the right people through LinkedIn, through the content you're making, it's going to tremendously help you to start to build that network in the real world and get more clients. Now, how do you do that? Make sure you're searching within the industries of where your specialization is. Make sure you're searching and finding the people that can buy your products. Whoever usually buys your products, that's who you want to connect with. Use Google Maps to find businesses in your area, around your office. Reach out to those owners and those people through LinkedIn. Try to connect with them and send them messages. And finally, use the fact that LinkedIn is really organic still. Make good video content, make content, whether that's a document of your catalog or a PowerPoint, or just make a regular video, or get onto Live now. You can now apply to do LinkedIn Lives. Apply for that. Find ways to stand out, get in front of those people. They're gonna remember you, you're gonna be top of mind, and when the timing's right, remember, those people are gonna think of you first, which is the entire goal of what you're trying to do to build your agency. That's it for this episode, guys. I wasn't too excited. I know times are tough for everybody, but try to do those 5 things as well as some others to get your agency going, and make sure, like always, no matter what, keep learning, keep understanding. This industry moves way too quick. You have to find ways to stay on top of everything. I'm gonna go take a couple pictures of this, guys. That's it. I hope to see you guys in the next episode.